Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to make cookies with Smarties. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little notification button. Thank you. For this Smartie cookies recipe, you're going to need golden syrup, sugar, self-raising flour, butter, vanilla paste and of course Smarties. I'm going to use this big machine again, but you can do it by hand and you can do it with a handheld mixer. So to start with, I'm going to put the butter into the bowl. This is soft brown sugar, that goes in as well. I need 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, and I've just heated my metal spoon up in some boiling water. That's 1, 2. As you can see, it comes off the spoon a lot easier and creates less mess. And lastly, I'm going to put in ½ a teaspoon of this gorgeous smelling vanilla paste. Just adds a little something to your biscuits. And now all I'm going to do is turn the machine on and cream the butter and the sugar together. All I need to do now is add half the flour in here and half the Smarties. And start mixing again. Now it's started coming together, I'm just going to add the rest of the flour and the rest of the Smarties and bring it together with my hands. I'm just going to go in with my hands now and make it into a ball. How hard work this is. There we go. Nice big ball of dough. All I'm going to do now is divide it into 16 balls and put the balls on the tray, probably about 6 to a tray, and then bake them in the oven. So there's 2 big cookies. There's 4. That one as well. And leave them as a ball because they will spread out, and what you want is for the centre to be all soft and gooey while the outsides are all crispy. You just sort of work out whether they're the same size or not. You will get different sizes because that is the joy of home cooking. And then they all fight over who gets the biggest cookie. All I need to do now is put them in the oven for 9 to 10 minutes at 180. Keep an eye on them because they do catch. Well, that's it, my Smartie cookies recipe. I hope you enjoy them. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little notification button. I'm now going to enjoy mine with a nice cup of tea, and I'll see you all again next time. Thank you. Goodbye. Oh, they're crispy. They're lovely.
Smartie cookies recipe.
Smartie cookie recipe.
Smartie cookies recipe.
Yes.
Yeah, single Smartie, double
Get
cookies.
behind the camera.
Yeah.
Stop
It might be easier
sending it from over there.
Single Smartie, double cookies.
Okay. So don't forget to like and subscribe and collect.
Click and collect.
Click and collect.
Click and collect my cookies. You said it right there, the Smartie cookies.
I know
recipe.
I did. That
You
is
got
the rest of
Yeah,
it that
you
I got
it.
wrong. Well, there they are, my Smartie cookies recipe. I hope you enjoy them. Don't forget to click.
And collect.
It's got it in my head now, right. There they are, my Smartie cookies recipe. I hope you'll enjoy them. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the little notification button. I'm now going to eat mine with a well-deserved cup of tea. I hope to see you all again next time. Thank you. Goodbye.
Oh, dude! Sorry! I thought we were done!